These giant honeycomb towers in Egypt aren't chimneys, they're secret pigeon palaces. Built from stacked clay pots, their hollow design keeps the inside cool and breezy. Perfect for pigeons, which hate heat and humidity. Each tower can house hundreds of birds, and the tilted entrances let pigeons fly in while blocking snakes. Why build them? Simple. Pigeon droppings are collected as fertilizer and sold for profit. The birds feed themselves, so the cost is almost nothing. It's a clever trade. Pigeons get free homes while people get eggs, fertilizer, and yes, roast pigeon on the plate.